how to find the square root of a number. We will learn this from this video. Here you see three examples. We need to find the square roots of 36, 72 and 100. How can I do that? At first we will write in this way: root over 36 equal to, we will factorize this up to its prime factors. So we can write root 36 equal to root over 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then we will see that which prime factors are in pairs. Here 2's make a pair, 3's make another pair. In case of square root, we will write one prime factor for each pair. For this pair we will write 2, for this pair we will write 3. So root over 36 equal to 2 into 3, that means 6. Now the second example, 72, we will find its square root. We need to find root over 72 equal to, we will factorize 72 up to its prime factor. From this factorization we can say that root 72 equal to root over 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will make the pairing. These 2's are paired, these 3's are paired, but this 2 is unpaired. So for this pair we will write a 2, for this pair we will write a 3. But here is a single 2. For this single 2 we will write simply root 2. So root 72, it means 2 into 3 6 root 2. This is the answer of the second example. Now we are given 100 and we are asked to find the square root of it. So let's factorize 100. Root 100, it means root over 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 equal to, here you see these 2's are paired, these 5's are paired. So for this pair we will write a single 2, for this pair we will write a 5. So root over 100 is 10. This is our answer. Let's see another example, root over 96. We need to find this. Factorize it. So root 96 equal to root over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's into 3. These 2's are paired, these 2's are paired. This 2 is single, unpaired, this 3 is single and unpaired. So for these 2's we can write a 2, these 2's we can write another 2, and this is a single 2, this is a single 3. So we will multiply this inside a root. That means 2 2's 4 root 6. This is our answer. Root over 96 is 4 root 6. I hope now you get the process of how to find the square root.